Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to add bullet point in Discord, and I will explain the easiest typing method so you can make clean lists in your chats and servers. Step 1. Open Discord on your phone or computer and go to any chat or server where you want to type your message. This is the place where you will create your bullet list, just like writing points in a document. Step 2. To make a normal bullet point, type an asterisk symbol or a dash symbol, then add one space after it. For example, type star space or dash space, and then write your text, and this tells Discord to treat it like a bullet. This is very helpful for lists, notes, or organized messages. Step 3. Press Enter to go to the next line and repeat the same pattern. Again, type an asterisk or dash, add a space, and then write the next point. Each new line will automatically look like a clean bullet list when you send the message. Step 4. If you want sub-bullets, add 2 spaces before the asterisk or dash, then type your text. This creates an indented bullet under the main bullet point, making your list look more structured and easy to read. Step 5. Now send your message by pressing Enter, and Discord will format everything nicely. You will see your bullets clearly, and your text will look organized and professional. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.